All right. It's September the 8th, 2011. We've had 3 straight days of rain. Walking up to the bridge across the Tunkhannock Creek where we live. We live in Wyoming County. They've declared a state of emergency. All the roads are closed. I'm supposed to be home in my house, but here I am taking a movie of the Tunkhannock Creek. Tunkhannock Creek is already up over the bridge near the old Lutheran church just outside of Tunkhannock. The big bridge over the Susquehanna is closed. Gay Mary's is flooded. So this is bad. The worst flood around here ever was 1972 after Hurricane Agnes. The river crested at 41.2 feet. Right now, the levees in the Wilkes-Barre area are 41 feet. This flood's predicted to crest at 39. We don't know yet. Some people think it's going to go up over top of the levees. That would make this the worst flooding ever. We've just had a river of rain passing up over top of us for 3 straight days. The Doppler radar shows no end to that, even today. So this is a little scary. It's actually not so bad right here. There has been another time or two where I've seen this creek higher. And actually, on those times, the creek was coming up through the grate. This is an old iron bridge, but it's held up pretty good over the years, the whole time we've lived here. So there you have it. Today's flood report from Fox Road, Tunkhannock Township, Pennsylvania, where we are under a state of emergency. This is Ken Becker reporting. Be safe and take care. Bye-bye.